That's big.
That was
That's
it.
major.
That's major.
That's all they.
I
That's
don't
all
know.
they need.
Listen, I don't know if people really heard what she
No.
said, right? But if you break that down like that, that's it.
Yep.
Once you get your personal credit straight and you start that business, guys, I'm gonna drop a link in for people that want to create the LLC. Even if your credit not good yet,
Right.
start that LLC now today.
Yep. Yep.
Start that LLC now, and then guess what? That LLC gonna build that history. Once you get that 2 years, guess what? All your auto goes in your LLC now. You're not even putting nothing in your name no more.
Right. And listen, one other thing, it's all about having access. Once you establish your personal credit and your business credit and you have access,
right.
Once they give it to you, it's yours.
It's yours.
You don't have to spend it. You don't have to blow it. It's yours. All these credit cards that we have, it's ours. We can utilize it, leverage it, and do as we please, when we please. And then once we show ourselves approved and pay it, the increases goes up and up. So it's about accessing the things that we as adults need to survive. We can't keep consuming. You know, it's a brick wall. You know, like the Bible says, what is it? The debt, we're slaves to debt. But there's good debt. Don't be afraid of debt. There's good debt. If you got a multi-unit, that's good debt.
Right. If your debt is working for you, you're in a good place.
Wasn't you walking around your building that you're going to purchase?
My goodness.
Or was that already purchased?
David, that's another story.
Like, what's she doing? You need your hard hat on.